Hi everybody, great to see you here on my video. You've obviously come to this one because you've asked the question of skills needed to work from home. Basically, you don't need too many. It's easy. If you want to work from home, the biggest thing you need to do is make the decision that you're going to do it. For me, I think the biggest skill you need to work from home is to simply have the discipline to sit down and do it. There are so many distractions. When you first leave your job or you first decide you're going to work from home and you're not going to go to work anymore for anyone else, it's like being on holiday. And you think you can just sit back and cruise and just work your own hours. And yeah, to a point that's right, but you've got to work yourself up to that position. You just can't expect to be able to work 2 or 3 hours a day and have this huge income that's going to come in and look after you. It just doesn't happen. You don't get anywhere in this world without hard work. That's given, that's simple. You've got to work hard to get anywhere. That doesn't mean to say you have to, wear the skin off your hands. It means you work smart. It means you use your head, but you're still working hard. It's exhausting. It will wear you out. You've got to do it, but you've got to be organised and disciplined to do it. So that's really, to me, that's the only real skill you need, is to be organised and disciplined, to be able to put time aside, block out all other distractions, and actually work as if you were working for someone else. But you're not. Of course, you're working for yourself. I use a system, a home business system. It's called Home Business Labs. It's free to join up. Just go to homebusinesslabs.com and you'll find it. But best thing, to understand what I'm driving at and where I'm getting to with this and how you can have your own home business is to click the link in the description down below. The link is joinmikeshearer.com. So you'll see it just written across here, and it's called joinmikeshearer.com. Click on the link that you see in the description. That'll take you to a video which describes the whole thing, the business, the system, and it provides all the training you need. So you need no skills. You need no technical skills. You need no website developer skills. You don't even need a bloody website. You need no particularly unusual skills at all. You just need to know how to communicate, writing, talking, whatever. And everything else is there, provided for you. And it's free. The training is free until you're ready to move up to and consume more and get more education and teach yourself and learn how to be a real pro at this thing. Then you start paying for it. But if you want to know the skills needed to work from home, sign up to Home Business Labs. All free. It'll give you the skills and then you can work from there. It's up to you. Click the link below and find out. You'll be amazed. You'll be absolutely surprised. I love it. My friends love it. My colleagues love it. It's just the best thing since sliced bread as far as I'm concerned. So go and have a look, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks. See ya.